What's up guys, it is TechOS here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one object gradually turn into another object. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up a new Blender project. Open up a new project. In general, I'm going to don't save that. Alright, so you want to you might want to keep the default cube, or you can add in a different cube, but you're going to need 2 cubes, so make another cube. Alright, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to add in the first object, well, one of the objects you want to turn in, the object you want to turn into. Alright, so I'm going to add in a Suzanne, and then I'm going to have Suzanne turn into another Suzanne, but I'm going to add the Bijan modifier in here, so I'm going to do organic shell, and I'm going to apply style. It's working? Yep, it worked. Alright, so I'm going to next thing you want to do is you want to hit your 3D cursor. Make your 3D cursor anywhere, it doesn't matter where, just where your transformation is going to be happening. Alright, so you hit Shift S, selection the cursor, and then you select the other object, Shift S, selection the cursor. Alright, and then next thing you want to do is you want to copy the rotation from one of them onto the other one so they're perfectly lined up. So this one, which has a more simple rotation, this one has more simple rotation. So I'm going to make this, just reset this, and make it 0. Alright, so they're supposed to be perfectly lined up, and they look pretty good lined up. Alright, so I might move this a little bit so it's a little better lined up. So they're perfectly lined up. Well, pretty perfectly lined up. Alright, so then you want to, then you move both of these to where you want the transformation to be happening. I'm just going to move it like alright, so what I did is I put it where I want the transformation to be happening. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to select one of these cubes, or yeah, you can select both of these cubes. You hit viewport display, then display as wire. Oh, and then you have to do it to the other one. I didn't know it just did it to one. Alright, so now it's displaying as a wireframe so you can see through it. Now you want to move it to where the transformation is happening. So you want to move one like right on top of the thing you want to transform, like this. Alright, so just make sure they're inside there. Alright, once you have the cube around the object, you're going to the 2 objects, I mean, you're going to grab the other cube and you're going to put it next to that cube. But first you want to click this cube, and you want to make sure the scale is the same. So for mine, scale Y is different, so I'm going to scale that to 1.457, 1.457, and that made it identical to the other one. And now I'm just going to make it side by side with the other cube, like this. Now I see the ear is a little bit no, it's fine. Well, what these cubes are, you want to make sure what these cubes are doing is you want to make sure the cubes like the first cube, you want to make sure the object that's being transformed is inside that cube. It doesn't matter about the object that is going to be the final object. That it doesn't matter. Just the object inside has to be inside the cube. The original object has to be inside the cube, which is this thing, the ByGen 1. Alright, so the second thing you want to do is you want to click the object, the original object, the object that's going to be transformed, and click on the modifier section. I already have a bunch of modifiers that you don't need these modifiers. All these modifiers are just the ByGen modifier. That's all. That's what the ByGen did. When I clicked apply style, it applied all these modifiers to make it look like this. So anyway, you click add modifier, and then you want to click where is it? Boolean. It's loading. All right. So after you have Boolean, you want to change this from difference to intersect, and then you want to select the cube. You want to select the cube that's already around it. So that's just called cube. So you want to you can either use this eyedropper tool and pick this cube, or you can just pick it manually. Anyway, what that did is it's gonna lag a lot. Watch. Yep. Is that made it so when the cube is around it, it shows, but when the cube is not around it, it doesn't show. So that works. So then the second thing you want to do is, well, the next thing you want to do is you want to click the object that is going to get transformed into, so which is the non-ByTools. Suzanne, and then you want to do the same modifier, Boolean, intersect. It's not going to work if it's difference. Difference is like the opposite of intersect. Union, I think, combines them. I don't know. But then you want to do the cube the other cube that's side by side with the first cube, and then so that's cube 1. And you can see when I do this, it starts appearing. So I think you know what we're already going to do. We're going to shift. Actually, I'm going to make this start frame 0 because just better that way. Alright, so you want to click I, location, and then you want to have this so that this is gonna lag. This lag is lagging a lot because I'm using the ByGen modifier. Uh-oh. Just realized I didn't move this thing. Alright, so and then you can see it's gradually turning that object into that object, and I'm going to play a video right now of what it looks like, the final rendered product looks like after I change the material and stuff. So I'm going to show you that now. Alright guys, that is the end of this video, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this and Minecraft animations. I'm going to do an update on 7 elements. So yeah, and then I'm also going to be doing other animations besides Minecraft. Like this one wasn't Minecraft. It's an animation, but it's not really a long animation. But you can see it transforms from ByGen. It transforms from ByGen into regular. Alright, that is the end of this video, guys. Bye.